So gang, right here we got the RAR Mantis X, and this is a 2023?
2024.
So it's 72 volt also?
Yeah.
Yeah? And this is the regular Mantis. As you can see, it has like the seat that goes down. Or you put a flat seat on it, right?
No.
This is how it comes? Okay, interesting. Alright, here we got the regular Mantis e-bike. This is the X. The only noticeable difference I can really see is the seat and the swing arm. That's about it, right? And the 19-inch rear wheel. Yeah, the swing arm. It's more like this is more like a Sur-on style, and this is more like dirt bikey. Bro, it's the same thing pretty much.
Battery difference though. 72 what?
30 amp hours, I think. What is yours? 38?
I think mine's 35.
35 amp?
Yeah, mine's 35.
Okay, so yeah. I don't know. What's the difference between 30 and 35 amp hours? How long?
5 amp hours, yeah, the distance.
The distance.
How long you can go.
Why would they make the new one less amp hours though?
Because it might be running more efficient. You don't need the amp hours.
Bro, let's real quick. Let's hit a race right here.
Right now?
Why not? Not like full speed, just to like up to 40.
That race up.
We all got a race, bro. Even though you guys are gonna blow me, that's a big ass battery.
No diddy.
No diddy, yeah, no diddy. Alright, so we're about to race the regular Mantis.
Yep. Get it on the wide.
Hey, y'all. You ready? Yeah. That one's definitely a little faster. But it's not by much. That's crazy. Let's go from like a roll. Let's go from like 10 or right.
My speedometer's off from my.
You got honks?
Yeah.
Honk on 3 and we'll go. Yo, I seen him just fly past. I was like, no way.
Speed, he was going to not be able to slow down. He only got bad brakes on too.
You're going like 50 right there. Alright, I'm on the RAR Mantis regular.
That's the regular one?
Let me put. Oh, it doesn't have race mode. You don't have race mode, right?
Sport mode.
Just sport. Oh, your brakes are rough. I can't even thing. Look at this, bro. I'm pulling the brake right now, bro.
Hit your knuckles. Don't.
Like I'm saying, the stock brake pads on every e-bike is trash, bro. You always gotta upgrade them. Bro, look at that Talaria though, bro. That seat is skinny. I didn't know they built it that skinny. That is wild. Woo! Let's go a little first wheel ski. You know, we're outside, baby. Yeah.
What's your name?
MotoBroo. Well, Lars.
MotoBroo?
Yeah, that's my YouTube.
Supermoto guy?
Wait.
You know the Tail of the Dragon bunch?
No. I never been there. I got a DRZ though.
There's another guy. Give me an electric kick.
Oh, he stole my name then. Bro, they got the Cafe Racer electric bike. That's sick, bro. Hell yeah. I've never seen that. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Yeah, that's sick. Yes, sir. Oh! Yo, did the Hong Konger just come on? Oh my god, that Ultra B weighs too much. Everyone just mobbing, bro. Yeah. A little off-road. Looks like there's like a wedding or something going on. Oh, whoa. Electric tick's coming out of nowhere. Let's go, bro. Bro, I am in love with this RAR Mantis X right now. Oh, you're getting a little burn. Y'all want to see a real brother?
Let me get out your way, bro.
You ain't got power like that, dog. Okay, I lied. Oh, damn. Rocket Fizz. Yes, sir, brother. Oh, not the beamer. Oh, boy, bro. Yeah, that bit's sick. Man, that's beautiful, bro. Hey, one day soon, brother. Keep the grind going. Is that a Hemingway?
No, this is the Avatar.
Oh, okay. It looks like my dad has a Hemingway with like this, and it looks similar. It has like the beach tires and. Does this one go like 30 or 28 top speed?
It says 28, but with pedaling, I could get it to 31.
Okay, hell yeah. Who's faster? Holy shit, he's fast. That bit fast as hell. Woo! Good, bro. What's your name? Lars, bro. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Polaria?
Not mine. His, but yeah.
Is this the XXX2 or no?
That's MX3.
Oh, this is the MX3. Oh, okay. So is the XX3 like just a smaller like
Yes.
version of this?
Smaller and the battery doesn't come out. That's why I didn't
Okay. Dude, I can't believe you got the Mantis out here, bro. That's sick.
I love this one. I bought that because I broke this one and I couldn't ride this one, so I bought that one.
Yeah. How fast does yours go up to now?
70.
70? We got a race, bro. Let's go. 10 miles per hour right now. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this way, man. Bro, so this is all stock, the bike?
Yeah.
Damn, like,
I sold my Suron.
is this more powerful than?
Yeah.
What? How much is this? 72 volt or?
No, it's 60.
It's just like different controller and shit. Damn, because I seen you pick it up at like 30 miles per hour easy.
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
My Suron, I could not do that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's
My
sick.
friend had one out, and it got more range, more like torque, way faster.
Yeah, bro. That thing is sick, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Alrighty, gang. Fun little e-bike ride. The Mantis X killed it. Still in shock by how flippin' good it is. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Till next time. Peace.